All right, good evening, everybody. My name is Dale Brown. I am from Kingston, Jamaica. Born and raised in Kingston. Not like the people that say they're from Kingston. I was actually born in Kingston University Hospital. I am, like I said, Dale Brown, the director of Truth. I love to sing. I love to minister. I love to sing with the people that I sing with. Let me see, what part do I sing? I sing pretty much all the parts if necessary. Try not to do much soprano as it's not really my forte, but I do sing most if not all the other parts at different times. We're just here to tell everybody about this young group here from Atlanta, Georgia. It's not based on any demographics, it's not based on any cultural background. We're just a group of young people that are dedicated to ministry, dedicated to worshiping and praising God, and we enjoy it. We enjoy it, we do it the best way we know how, and we just love to do it. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. We sing because we love to sing. We're hoping that, you know, we can get to send a message out to not just one or two people, but to everybody across the globe, telling them about the love of God. We take pride in all our material, all the songs we come together with, everything that is done, we take pride in it because we believe in it ourselves. One of the things I want everybody to know is that the group does not comprise of untalented, if that's a word, I don't know if that's a word, but I just made up that word. It doesn't consist of people without talent who just lean on me per se. The group in its entirety is filled with a multitude of talents. In fact, all our songs that will be on our record coming soon were written by our own group members. The group in itself put a lot of time and a lot of effort in writing and composing all of our material. One of the main things we also try to do was to kind of give a wide cross-section of music, to not be placed in any specific genre, only to kind of facilitate everybody. You know, we have the more conservative people, we have the liberated people, we have the edgy Christians. Whichever category you fall in, we have something that will appeal to you. My inspirations, I love Marley Music. New guy, if you've never heard about him, you should Google him. Marley Music. Fred Hammond, Bob Marley, the question ever, but I do love Bob Marley. Stevie Wonder, cannot get away from Stevie Wonder. And my dad. My dad is a very big inspiration to me. I always wanted to sing like him, you know. But that's really what you need to know about myself and about the group Truth. Oh, let me tell you this. My name is actually Sefton Brown. I had to say that because I remembered when I said I like my dad. My dad's name is Sefton Brown as well, so he actually would have preferred me to say Sefton Brown and Truth. I just figured it sounded better to say Dale Brown and Truth. But like I said, we love music, we love enjoying music, we love the comedic side of ministry and delivering a message to people. We're not uptight, we are very welcoming. Feel free to send us a message anytime you want to communicate with us. We want to hear from you. Let us know what's going on with you and look out for everything that comes from this side for Dale Brown and Truth.